Good morning, everybody. How are you today? Today we are doing the last pattern of which is going to be Hug Day. You're going to go to pattern-collections.com is where we're going to start. That's where we always start. If anybody asks me what app I'm using, I am not using an app. I am on a website at pattern-collections.com right there. That's what you're looking for. Don't forget the dash. Dash is very important. If you just do pattern collections, you get something else. Scrolling down to the last one I chose for this month. As you guys know, I'm always a little bit, you guys always see me draw a little behind, I guess that is. So in August, I'm drawing June's patterns, okay? So in September, I'll draw July's patterns. And in October, I plan on drawing August's patterns, I think. We'll see what happens when I get to October. But today is Huggins. It is National Hug Day. Come on. This phone is having some issues. I was on an extended break and haven't turned this phone on in a month, and it's out of battery and it's just struggling. You can see I'm down to 15%. I'm plugged in, so it should be getting better. It was at 13% when I first logged on, so it is getting better. So Huggins is the pattern. Sorry about all this glare. Let me see. Can I get the curtains closed a little bit? Reduce some of it. There, that's a little better. There are a lot of people who have done this pattern. First one is Ellen. Our dear friend Ellen succumbed to her lung cancer recently. So, oh gosh, I'm getting emotional. I never even met Ellen, but she is wonderful member of the patterning community, and she will be greatly missed. But if you would watch her video, that would help her family out. I don't know if she ever monetized her channel, or if she just did it for fun. But yeah, she does a great job of showing this pattern. And this pattern is a favorite of a lot of people. So there are a lot of people with this on a video. There's this one. I don't remember whose logo that is. Whose is that? Can I see it? Will it let me get it bigger? No. Okay. Oh, yes, it will. That logo does not look familiar to me. So if it looks familiar to you, let me know. And then of course there's Melinda Barlow, and she's done multiple videos on it. Mimi has done one. There's that same person again. I wish I remembered her name. And then there's one from the Zentangle people. And then there's another one from Melinda Barlow. So Melinda Barlow has done it quite a bit. So let me get in here and we can look at it closer. There we go. So the difference here is W2 is the original pattern, which has squares as your starting point. Where's my little pointy tool? This will work. Which starts with squares as your starting point in a grid. And then you do a line on the outside and then a line on the inside. See, outside, inside, inside, outside. You do like opposites. And then go the other way, go inside, inside, which makes the outside of this one. The inside of this box is the outside of that. Does that make sense? So it's inside, outside, outside, inside. You'll get it. It's not that difficult. So what you need to do is change the square to a dot and replace the straight lines with C shapes to get Huggins. So this one's W2 here. Can you see that? Let me get it up nice and close. That one's W2. This one's Huggins. They're very, very similar. So if you can't figure out Huggins right away, try W2 first. Get your hang of things and then go to Huggins. So but our plan for today is Huggins, and I'm going to do it on a wavy grid, I think. Let me turn on my light so we can all see. Lighting is so very important. Let's just do a small one today. I didn't pick a thing here. Let's see, pencil, and let's do a kind of a wavy grid, like so. And we're going to do like that. That looks like a nice grid. Can you see it? You can see it. Just a nice wavy grid. And then in these intersections, that's where I'm going to put the circles. Okay, so I'm just going to start them off. Just like that. Looks good, I think. Let's zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. All right. Small pen, O2. We're going to go with an O2 multiliner. And you don't have to use the same pen I use. I often use microns. I have used this brand. Oh, that's another Copic, but it's a different Copic multiliner. That's the disposable one. These are the refillable ones, the ones that come in the metal barrel. I've used Marabou. I've used this one was a cheap one from Amazon. It was on sale one time. I've used STA. As long as you're using a pigment liner and you can get them in the sizes that you want to use, that's all that matters. So let's do these circles. So my birthday month is just about over. And last night was the last opportunity to do the giveaway. And tomorrow should be the video on all the giveaway winners. Doing them all at once in one video so that you guys can just skip it if you're not interested. By the time you see this video, the winners will all have been contacted. Most of them will probably have already contacted me back, except for the last one, because the last one would be last night. You know, they're off on their way already. So we're going to think about insides and outsides. So let's do this line first. Okay, let me zoom out just a little bit so you can see the whole page. There we go. So we're going to go outside. Oop, I didn't do curves. Well, poop-de-doop. Poop-de-doop. It's all right. This one's just going to have to be a little straighter than the others. Outside, then inside. Goes that way. Outside, inside. Like that. Okay, that one's just going to be a little straight. That's okay. So that was outside, so this one has to be outside. Outside with a little bit of a curve. Inside with a bit of a curve. Outside with a bit of a curve. Inside with a bit of a curve. Okay, then this one is inside, so this one has to be inside. A little bit of a curve. This one has to be outside. Then this one has to be inside and outside. Just like that. So if these are inside, then the other side of this square needs to be outside. So these ones are going to go this way. Whoops. Just like that. And then inside. And then this one is outside, right? Every other one. And then inside. Just like so. And then if this one is outside, then this one's inside. And then this one like that. And then like that. So that that square has 2 ins and 2 outs. If this one's in like that, then this one goes in like that. And then this one comes out. Okay. That was simple and quick, but I was a little annoyed that that one went straight, but that's okay. That's all right. I've got a little bit of a, see on this particular spot there, I got a little bit of where I stopped and started, and I don't care much for that little bit right there. And since I don't like it, I'm going to make it a little bit thicker. Maybe I'll change my pen to a thicker pen. Oh, that was an 02, so let's do an 05. We're just going to go around this just like that. And I'm going to do that for all the ones on this side that have that same curvature. Like that. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to do one going this way. Oh, you are too close again now. I'm going to also do it this way. For that curve. That curve and that curve. And I think I'm going to color in these dots. Now since I drew this nice and big, what you could do is use each of these shapes to fill in another pattern inside. But I think I'm just going to leave it simple today. We are going to Hug Day. This is Hug Day. Huggins. And let's erase all of those pencil marks. Whoops. This is just a simple one today. Sort of a warm-up. I haven't actually drawn anything for the channel in, golly gee, let me look at my calendar. When was the last time I actually drew for the... We went on vacation starting there. I probably haven't drawn anything for the channel in 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks. So I got to get into it a little bit and yeah. Okay, so I'm going to put my shading right along this curve. Just like so. And then here, and here, here, and there. Just like that. Because I see that as weaving in and out, under and over. Oops, I missed one. I want to go here. Right? Yes. Correct. And I want to go here. Okay. Now I've got it. Goes there, then it should also go here. Just put a little from the leftover graphite from the end of my blending stump. Just like that. Perfect. And then I think I'm going to use a little bit of white pencil. Give them a little bit of shine right in the middle. Just like that, and a little bit of shine going this way, and a little bit going that way. There we go. That was easy, simple, good warm up for the day. And now we can move on to the next month. So we're going to be moving into September, doing July's prompts. I think I've got that right in my head. Anyway, you guys have a great day. It's been a really good birthday month. There's been some challenges, but so far so good. We'll just see how the month goes, how September goes, how October goes. You never know how life is going to treat us. Did have a good holiday. So I want to thank you guys for all the good wishes, and thank you for the birthday wishes, and hope you guys have gone out and done nice things for people today or every day. Make the world a better place by just being nice to each other. It's all that I can ask for, right? And you be blessed, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.